How to download Netflix on your MacBook. To download Netflix, go to the App Store, and in App Store you can search Netflix right over here and press enter. After that, you can see we have some application which is app for Netflix, streaming for Netflix, but not the application itself, or the original one at least. You have one for Prime Video but not for Netflix. So what do you do now? Now what you do is go to Safari. In Safari, type in download Netflix for Mac, then hit enter, and then you can see weirdly it is available on the App Store. If I click on it, it opens the App Store, but it says it's not compatible on my device, which is weird. If I click on see full list, you can see it is for iPhone, iPad and Apple TV on the App Store, but nothing for the macOS, right? But we are going to download the actual application. So here, if I go to help.netflix.com, you can see we have a lot of options, but nothing for downloading it on your Mac. So what does this tell you? That it tells you basically that there is no official application for Netflix on your MacBook, which is very disappointing. So every time you want to use it, every time you have to go to the Netflix website and then watch whatever you want to do, which is annoying because there is an application on Windows but not on Mac. So that is just disappointing. So that is about it. If after logging into the Netflix website, you may be able to save it. If you want to know how to save your website as an application, I've made a separate video on that. You can go and check it out. But sadly, there is no application for Netflix. Hopefully that explains a lot. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.